What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all see what time it is? Finally, our Tran hitting the track, and bam, we all loaded up, man. We ready to roll. I've been scrambling. I'm a little behind schedule, but it's all good. It's day after Thanksgiving, so you know, a little slow motion. But this baby's ready to go, man. As you can see in the preview vlog, I checked everything over, so we just gonna hope we have a good day. I hope it perform on the nitrous. Hope I have enough nitrous and all of that. So without further ado, man, we finna get to it. Finna hit this road and burn the road up. So get there timely manner, get back early and stuff. So said we're gonna run on the blower first, blower only, because it has been a while and I only ran the car one time. I literally took this car to the track one time since I had it. I didn't like the way it drove. Steering was super loose and all of that. So I made quite a few changes since then. And now we got nitrous, thanks to Nitrous Express. So we finna see what it do. The weather is cool, so that's even better for this car. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we at the track. Right, BCG fam, man, we made it. Safe and sound, we touched down. Middle Georgia Sports Park on a beautiful but windy day. About to get our Tran unloaded. I'm gonna check the tire pressure while it's up on the trailer, so I ain't got to be bending down and all that good stuff. Like I said, first pad just on the well, not the motor. Don't sound like my dad. My dad be saying motor and got a supercharger. But I'm gonna do the first pad on the supercharger only, since I only ran it 2 times. And like I said, I changed a few things since then. Especially how it drive, man. I did not like the way it drove, and I said I wouldn't bring it back until I fixed it. And we here, so we're gonna do that. Which this car is a lot lower maintenance. So I'm just gonna, well, I'm finna say I'm gonna post an E85 in it, which we got the race E85 for the fuel cell, and I got 5 gallons of pump. But I think we got enough. I think we got enough fuel in it, cause I ain't trying to load it down with fuel. It's weight. It's more weight to carry, and we're gonna see what it do. So once I check the tire pressure, I mean it's good to go. Make the pad, and I want to see how it differs with the plugs in. How it's gonna affect the blower only with the colder plugs in, cause I got plugs in it for the nitrous and the blower. So it's a lot cooler plug, and I want to see if it's gonna hurt it or help it, which I already got a idea of which way it's gonna go, but we're gonna see. But let me get these tires ready. We're gonna get it unloaded, and y'all, we're gonna tune in on the GoPro. All right, BCG fan, we're checking in. First pass did not go like, cause it spun the tire. Definitely wasn't expecting it. Not out this car. I wasn't expecting it to spin. It running faster cause I just compared the ticket from the first time I brought it where it did hook. It running faster for sure. No questions asked, and I know the cooler air helping that too. But I'm gonna drop the tire pressure down a pound and see. Gonna put some old top the fuel off, and then I'm just gonna try to hit it with the nitrous, man. See what it do. I'm gonna just hit it with the nitrous, just pow. See what happens. So they had nitrous, they had the track. So I gotta get my bottle. We can put a fresh bottle in and make it happen, man. I'm just gonna send it and see what we get. So y'all stay locked in. All right, BCG fam. So we ran into a little dilemma. It's something going on right here with the purge solenoid. I took it off because it's leaking from the fittings all up in here. So I'm gonna have to straighten it out at the house, but I ain't come way down here to not run no nitrous, so we're gonna set that right there. It'll be fine. And I'm gonna see if Tran, the track owner, or bump it, cause Kendra don't know how to do it. So I can still bump it through the engine. I don't have a purge switch, a bump button in there. But what you can do, you hold it at 3,000 RPM, and then you just boom, boom, boom. Just bump it like that. So we have to do that. But I'm gonna make sure that come on too right now first, but y'all stay locked in. All right, BCG fam, I just finished the first nitro pad. The engine took it good, so that's a good thing. But I messed up shifting then, man. They called forward valve body. I was about to go reverse. I said, so I stayed on the shifter limiter too long. But we're gonna bring the ramp in a little quicker now, make it a little more aggressive, run a little more higher bottle pressure, and we finna see what it do, y'all. Stay tuned. Alrighty, BCG fam. So, hey, today was a success in my eyes. I mean, I definitely was not equipped. I mean, this is not like me. I mean, we had problems. The purge was leaking. We went around that. Much love to Trent, man. So I appreciate Trent help, man. That was the track owner. Y'all saw that was purging, bumped it through the engine for me. I appreciate him for that. I left my helmet and my Ray jacket. It was a day, boy. And then, man, I forgot to turn the fan on the lab pad. We just knocked all the heat out the car, though. But and the car spinning. It was an all right day. But the goal wasn't to just come and run a Hail Mary pad. I wanted to make sure the tune good for one, which it is. I know y'all saw the first pass on Nitrous, and it shot the smoke out. That was me. The car hit the rev limiter because, like I said, that was my error then driving, and that would have been the pass. That would have been the pass. The car ran good. It ran a good number, but because of my error driving, staying on the rev limiter too long, I mean, I killed the number. But it did run a good number. And the ramp, it was very, 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 very light ramp. So the second pass, it was probably on me again. I got a little too happy. I put too much power in it, and I'm pretty sure I overpowered the tire call. I'm talking about from what y'all saw on that first pass to the second pass. I went in there. I started punching stuff on my touch screen. I told wife, I said, forget it. I'm finna send it. I left on a lot more power. Not everything, but I left on a lot more, and it was just too much. So, but the tune is happy. The car's in one piece. I said, this is my first time using 2 power adders, nitrous and blower, so I'm happy about that. And we're going to get all this situated. It was a true test day. Cause I don't like this. I mean, I ain't got no purge. I got to fix that. I got to see what's going on with that. It's something else. Something else we noticed too. It was something else I said. Cause like, I can't remember. It was something else. It's the purge. It was something else. It's a couple of things, man. Got to get situated and then be straight. And from now on, I'm finna get my other helmet. As soon as I get back to the shop, and I'm gonna put it in the car. Cause I got 2. But we finna get this bottle out and then get loaded up. I gotta give Trent back his Speed Racer helmet. And we're gonna check in. BCG fam, we have made it back. We have made it back, man. Old Tran did good. Look at that, man. I done knocked the bolts out. That joker right there. Look at that. That joker spinning, man. I'm gonna have to go get 2 more bolts tomorrow. But old Tran did good, man. It did good. It has gotten extremely cold out here tonight. It's 41 degrees. I'm finna close this joker up, but I'm gonna take the hood off right quick and pop a plug out so I can kind of see what the tune-up looking like. And you know, make it do what it do. But I got to give a huge shout out to Nitrous Express. I got to give a huge shout out to Nitrous Express because they just make some bad stuff, man. Hey, man, this Pro Power kit, which is the one I got, man, the Pro Power kit on this E85, dead ready. And that safe tank system, man, the safe tank system is so good. Like I really wanna put it on all the cars, like do away with all the stuff because, well, I just did the thing with Meech, but with Dolo, which I'm finna start back driving that joker, man. I gotta, when I get a handle on that seal, I'm gonna drive that joker, but with, and I still drive it now with it leaking, but anywho, that's neither here nor there. But with Dolo, I would like to, consolidate, like do away with the fuel cell and the pump and just do with this safe tank system. The pump is extremely quiet, man. You can't even hear it on, and it definitely do what it do, man. Cause this thing here didn't pop nothing. Now the pop you heard was it was me on the rev limiter. Like I told y'all, I was in the car like, I'm finna pull it back. I said, no, go forward. Then I went forward, but it was because I was just, like I said, I was just I don't know, man. I was geek. Hey, look, I was geek because that joke was riding on nitrous. That nitrous feels so good. I ready to keep making laps, man. That nitrous was feeling so good. So I was like, man, tighten up, Jay. I was in that car like, tighten up, Jay. I just can't believe I did that, man. I was geeked off of the nitrous, but then, you know, all the rest of the car, Meats, Dolo, they reverse manual valve body. So in this car, this the only one I got that forward manual valve body. So I be having to like, hey, remember, go forward. But all in all, the nitrous worked good. That supercharger definitely like the nitrous. It definitely like the nitrous. Now, no questions asked. So I'm looking forward to making some more laps in it until it gets old at least. Like I said, I'm just keep pressing on. I'm gonna get the purge thing situated because we ain't had no purge today because it was leaking. The nitrous was leaking out of it as soon as you turn the bottle on. That joke was just nitrous going everywhere. So I'm gonna get that straight and tidy up. Something else got to tidy up. I can't remember, man, what it was. It was something else too. But anywho, all in all, man, it was a good day. It was a good day. I got a chance to hit that joker with the nitrous and see how I feel. And like I said, it's on something light, man. It got some more power that I can put into it, and I can make the ramp more aggressive. The car go pretty fast. It'll go pretty fast, man. But I'll get back with y'all on that, man. I gotta study the ticket, really look at the ticket 60 foot, and I ain't had time to just really sit down and look at the ticket call. I be focusing on handling the thing with the car and all of that when we're going. So all in all, man, it's been a good day, and you did good out, Tran. But I'm finna pull one of these plugs out and, you know, check it out. Probably pull number one out since it's the easiest and then see what it do. But other than that, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.